Alright, I'm out here at Vine Street number 1, Decatur, Alabama. Just got a quick update here. I think this gate arm was replaced entirely, and now as a result has a full set of RECO LED gate lights on it, as you can see. The dying safe trim mechanical bell is still here. I heard last night it was still dying. It still worked somewhat, but it's still dying. So I'm gonna see about waiting for a train here, see if I can't get something coming through, and then I might head out towards, here's a look at the other side of the gate arm. I might head out towards Sheffield Yard, see if I can't get those few crosses out there. Doesn't look like there's any kind of label on this guy, so don't know what brand it is. I know that gate arm over there is NEG, but yeah, just thought I'd get this quick update here to the Vine Street number 1 crossing here in Decatur, Alabama. With these gate lights replaced, this crossing is now one step closer to being full LED. I think just the gate arm over there is still incandescent gate lights. Over and out.